Alright, does crayons fix your belt, Squeal? Well, try at the top here. Try out the side. Try out this side. Nothing. Let's go on the bottom now. Ah, it's on the bottom. So what does that tell you? It tells you that, well, you're going to probably need a new belt now because this thing is probably glazed enough. It's going to keep making noise, but it's a good little isolator. If you're diagnosing like pulleys and bearings, use a little bit of Crayola. Grab your kids' crayons and have fun. It might last for a while, it might not.